na ya the national teams they want some na prapra ni mansana ya kwa chire wa kohwe de yakoso e wa chire ho de ade a me na ka say the technical advisor of the Black Stars, Wilfred Chefre, Wababedu Omaimo ahead of Ghana, ye game wa ye de airpim against Chad. Na ohe ye ni Chad ye Sana Madagascar game bako. Nene Shefa Ababe kind of likes of Desmond Ofe mo who amabe augmented the Black Stars technical team no say wambia so the best strong enya vim and vogo ye timi dia kobo sa match no against Chad. Enti ye hwese sa game no be sia ko. Shefa we experience a party be hwese experience no with my Ghana me yetimi akwa asa Ghana you will qualify for the 2026 World Cup no e chassis e featured inti e be fa na semfa in March, that is next month, and as our match no e baso ya kana shine tips no catch the monwre mu okopie mu ewo ye wo mu nuano Black Queens e for so catch am the senior female national soccer team wo mo ensama betodwa me ne okasa mu Morocco first match a wo mo de pim so Morocco no Morocco e bo Ghana by a goal to nil na ke hwese ne Raja for so man be bo friendly ba konra enno e betodwa just a match no anya ma so ye bomb and for whom be so mo a wo say there be circumstances beyond control and na ma sa de no e ba so a few hours to kick off and e beto just a match no emma so enti chene to sa e fa e ma me na ye hwe say ye betumi akọ aye e ma no AFCON no 2018 was the last time Ghana bo bia ye hwe say betumi abo na yetimi akọ mu aye ade na 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup no kra no yetimi akwakọ bo bi nti we and the national teams na catch e de e honsam and so e brew and na no pay e was sports page 1 so national teams no hold the area ma from room under 17 for one former coach Aya Kingston Lie na no e ball tournament kromo ya na amfa no say da bi we judgment dia to na lie kasa and wo kire mo say ade ba ko a e putu ni off e ma ni dum ye te say dum so e interference oh wa na pani bi afafo afre the team players ni be say na ye be pamo coach na ye say ni ade lie say na ni anyi ho kra.
We have 2 weeks to go into a tournament and someone has to call in and tell me, hey coach, can you drop 2 players and replace them with my player? 2 weeks to a tournament, a major tournament. 2 weeks to a major tournament. I don't think that's fair on the coach and that's fair on the players. We have the team in camp already. All of a sudden, they bring a whole group of national team to camp, the same camp that we are staying. And then I had a call that, then they gave them 2 coaches. Then they told me, go and watch their training and see if some of them can fit into your squad that is going to play the tournament. And for me, I wasn't happy, but I did.
Way I like Kingston somebody to ja. Ese woni team wo camp no ya San Fran 17 foforo ko camp say wo ya mom coach foforo de kokko he say wo ya de a na say oyeye de but ni nyina mfa kwan mu tikra ka ho e no judgment but o sa to aso say Ghana coaching na see emiem see emiem kakra.
Ghana Federation should do more in educating, improving the way they run their licensing, because at the end of the day, if the coaches are well educated, that's when they go back to their clubs and then educate their players very well. That's when our football, our local game will look attractive. But if coaches are not well educated, they come there and then they do what they can do and then go away. They have to know that anything they are passing on to their team is well calculated, and then the power behind it should be strong. They should know what they are doing. That's how I should say it. But without coaching education, our soccer cannot grow. Because you can see even Pep Guardiola is struggling.
Where you like Kingston, Bralaye, can I so by nay, where coach Ujana 70 a question bridge kakano, then some side to Jana, Yemfi national teams no catch him club issues. Yes. Yabasha see if you come say.
Adom FM.
Metema Kumasi Asante Kotokofo. League no some bebo. So mo akoye buachi bidin enhyeda nyade a wo mo pro mo bebo ne sisia san so mo support na wawu no on be pro mo bebo boro be hadwen etomania bre e kire panifo so mo hwe nipa oku wo mo support na ansa na wo ba and no press conference akoso se kotoko bebo boro so mo boro no safuduku na kasama kotoko ne wo dia ba se after Paulus barrier they would have to reconsider and come and play football and say a share ball. Say their contracts are running down. Players and more ball. Samson and there's a calendar to meet. Send an annual draws for kind.
Yes, say omensie ye this year na ya ofon enwie ansa na ye nyane ni ahoden krampo e de asaba ko pramaso ene ni gina kotoko IMC to me so aka kyerem say Ghana Football Association almost say after say the burial and the final funeral rites of the late Nana Pole no a na so mutu esa first affair ye na ko pramaso a e be ya hobo say affair ye be sa abobo no bi ihe so ni say Banesi Bema baby or Merina. Yenia son a mutuno mutuno. You say on back to us, I can say, you have consequences almost a negative phone answer to one or two. You say, call to you, dear Fedio, Nina, a better was a toss to you. Say, ball boy, in the public, a Juma way. You can answer nothing, you will be as your home. Your contracts are is here renew a toss and son. You can say, calf, I see, calf on swatch. Say, yeah, a baby do as I say to me. Clubs here, Ghana name, the next edition of CAF and Confederations Cup and him. In the second in a boom, it is a brass say, affiliate me cry edition that you cry there, as I say, Salabobolo, with the hope to say, Muna Mobe Tayeti.
Way a Safuduku, a chairman in Masamaka, and our someone can a cray until the Fikoro for Akache, but never finish Rebecca and they way forward for Sa and Samuina. Yakumunian Mashidu Katakana, no crowd to Foko. Coach Abubakar Watara and the coach Penny of that team Nano. Golden Case Yamu Yamwajma, our University of Ghana Stadium. Omu Yamufimu, House of Foko for FA Cup on Ajegon. Na Ajegon mono, one more a future practice and Watara than some to just say, Naniswari no pass of Beji Bidiama House of Folk. FA Cup no working, but some women vogo league and I face on Africa, so one person more Africa, so much GBB fianza.
My target was to get the trophy in the national side and go to Africa and achieve some glorious name and go forward. This is my focus. To go to Africa, you need to win a league or some trophy in Ghana before you go out. So let's just work on it and go forward. For us, the future is bright.
House of Folk, the future is bright. Abubakar Watara, head coach the House of Folk, watch them say the future is bright. And no, and someone what they are to Jano. I was sorry, so no point, Malasani, about MTN Africa, I catch Uza has a film. Bebrena so as a Petrus and Emfa, the likes of Mediema, any ghost star signal, you more fimo, I can say 4 months to na chairman demanded Ghana FA Cup Committee, around Wilson Atta, not in some Eltuja, as a Quambia so no clubs in the Biowa. One more manimre. So would you this a referee Besisiwa? Yeah, some of a pay carry. Was a referee, a dear mamma referees as so pass a carry you do from. It is also say referee about Honor, so I come for you, Junior.
There's a lot of factors, interest, ideas. But some of us we are competing.
Okay.
A competition where's the means? Look, referees look like I'm going to me to is it referee now to me work on him? Now I will play and he work on you. While coach cry to me work on you. I mean there was match be a na ye boa me ti baby a obi very catch him say me sorry free baby am tin because o mom ti mesro no aka team na she. Me sorry free wa na she go. Me nge sa na mani but football no nyema wo bon. Even referee no gina on akra na is me work on him. Sometimes when you dey bufu share some of these things near there and interesting yabutre.
And interesting yabutre, Wilson Atta, no, not them was a reference to mistakes to me and Yakwa. To the Bia Yema Guamuso, Bako Humunia the blogger, 23 so. To Babanacha say, Nanikumsa, went to me matching ye, Babanu Ram, no to Trinimu. Sa chuchu musa otase aha any to be a bet di an say rebo ya no mo dey for ba bi na bet ni di asa ade asa ya be so na Jason Semato so live on Adom 106.3 and EPL games so Brighton in Bournemouth Bebo Crystal Palace ni Aston Villa na ya hwe say Wolves any Fulham Bebo Chelsea ni Southampton Jersey and I'm going to pressure Southampton up where yeah mo be careful mate Chelsea to win in over 1.5 for soon and that's over 2.5 and so soon. That's all. Copa del Rey semi-final. Barcelona versus Atletico Madrid. Yes. Copa Italia quarter-final. Inter Milan versus Lazio. Then, of course, Ukopiemu. The other games in Germany, the ZFI Poker, Benia Bielefeld, and Werder Bremen, and so at the Bumuani and the idea. The European Bianian fan come here once and Bebro, FAC BX tablets, and Ponsen Fanny one of parents, some of the FAC Namyabako, BX tablets, Moja Bedu Mofu Sunny, empty everywhere you go. You see empty and up, no, then was something they did rather. They say, hey, be easy. Oh, my empty up, so App Store, Play Store, download the good phone, so Nehu say, yeah, I didn't say easy, and who yes, all they could be good team, baby. Bacho, hey, Betway for the love of the game. Betway. Udi gusu abedi. Obi say me more number ni slow. Okay. 0249 136744. Yes, and only number no to ya say hi that ya link na mam. Na ya kan sa no DBS Industries Limited about done so DBS roofing papa fee ni ho. DBS roofing papa fee any ho. One more be boss one free boss free promo no DBS ya. DBS roofing papa fee ni ho. Mo kan want to pay near the sports page one draw live on Adom 106.3. Ala tula right time and your Professor Wallace Alas Kwabra Stone, me producers at the Pama coming home. Bernard Paddy will social lie. Yeah, the sports page one. Brian Wakaid and Nankasaka Kegyiwa where Eric Asiedu D. Jason Semni, sports page one at Wessi, Coswati.